Hello everyone, you can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. In this video, I am showing a 2D shapes dinosaurs making. This is my layout only. Once I complete my layout and if I see it is perfect, then I transfer it in a models. So that time I need cube, cuboid shapes and many other shapes. So this is our layout. Before making any 3D models, you always start with making a layout. For this I am using only a 2D shapes and this is a dinosaur. So you can make any figure out of your 2D shapes. Once you are satisfied with your layout, you can make your model like cuboid shapes, triangular prism, square and many others. So I am pasting this. For making my layout more interesting, I have used a thermocol sheets. On that I have pasted my A4 white color paper. On that I am pasting, but some places you can see, especially in some joints, I am not pasting, using a board clip that I can move my layout so that my layout looks interesting. So I am using my board clips. Now look how the head is moving and also the tail is also moving. You only can pasting also, but if you want to move like this way, so you need thermocol paper at the bottom of your A4 sheet. After being satisfied of your layout, you can make 3D model of your shapes. I have made an individual video on that. I will share the link in my description. Go and watch that video, it will be very helpful for you. Different shapes will help you to create a different model. Now let's take a A4 paper and spacing your models and see what form you can create. It will enhance your creativity. So learn how to make model and be creative on that and share your talent with us. This is your platform too. You know, Doremi is a platform, nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Now without wasting time, let's see of our triangular prism making. So I have taken a A4 paper in orange color and I am drawing a line in the middle. The line should be in the middle approximately. Now left and right side I am giving 2 dots in the down also. I am drawing 2 more line. In the measuring will be 2.5 each sides of our middle line. So total it is 5 semi. You can see how I am showing 5 semi width. Now I am measuring the 5 semi length of our square. So 5 semi width and 5 semi length. So we have got a square shape. In the down also you can see it is 2.5 in both the sides of our middle line. So total is 5 semi. Now measure again 5 semi length. So we have again got a square. All sides is 5 semi. Same things will be repeated again 5 semi. So we have got 3 squares. All are 5 semi length and width. Now take out your compass, open your compass and measure 5 semi in scale. Now draw 2 arcs bisecting each other, right side also and the left side also. Now draw the line to join that dots. So you will have a triangular form in both the sides, left and right. Now draw the dotted line. This portion in this dotted line we will use gum to make our triangular prism. Now I am taking grey color and I want to show you how we will cut out our diagram. So along with that line we will cut out. I will show that in manually also. this way your all the doubts will be clear. So don't skip, watch the full video. The portion we don't need, we will cut that portion out. So look, now you can see exactly the part is left in front of us that we will use to make our triangular prism. Now I will show you in manually all the process. This is my A4 paper. I need sketch pen, I use pencil, compass, scale. You don't need sketch pen. I am using sketch pen that you can understand easily all the lines. Now I am folding the paper from the middle, okay, so that I can get a middle line. So look how I am folding. Now I have to draw a line in the middle. So this line is considered approximately in the middle. So 2.5 from both the sides of our middle line. So total will be 5 semi. Now I am drawing the two more line in left and right side of our middle line. So this way we have made 5 semi squares. Length and width are same. All are same, length and width. So these are squares. Now we need a compass. Now look, exactly 5 semi I have measured, and on that line you can see exactly it should be a 5 semi, and drawing a arc that is bisecting each other in a dot and both the sides of a middle line. So you can see now we have to join the dot. Okay, once you join the dot, you can see the triangle shapes in both the sides. Left part I will cut. So this dotted line we need. So along with this dotted line we will cut the part I have crossed. Need a scissors, I have already cut. Look, so this part is necessary to make our triangular prism. So this way I am starting my folding. So you can see how I am folding. So look, all the parts I have folded. Now this is the time to use our gum. So at the edge you need to use the gum so we can get a sharp edge. Don't use too much of gum. It is very simple. Finally I am using this gum, and this is the final part that I am going to paste. So you can see your triangular prism is ready, and it was looking so fantastic. So look, so you can make your own triangular prism like this way. If you like our video, please subscribe, press the notification bell, choose all option, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.